Hi everyone, welcome to Cola Teaches Math. So today we're going to do a quick video on how to evaluate definite integrals. So a definite integral is an integral where we have bounds, so a to b. And this is part of the first fundamental theorem of calculus. So when you integrate little f, you're going to get back to big F from a to b. And we're going to replace x with the upper bound minus x with the lower bound. And we need to understand that the definite integral is the area under the curve. Under a curve. And if you notice, there is no more. Okay, so this first example I have here, we are going to look at it. And we are going to have 2 minus x. We're going to integrate 2 minus x. So this is essentially saying, hey, if we have some function, 2 minus x, which is the equation of the straight line right here, and I found the area from 0 to 2, which is a triangle in this case, the area should be 2, base times height divided by 2. But what if you don't have a picture in front of you? You need to use calculus. All right, how? By using the first fundamental theorem right up here in this black cloud. So first things first, we're going to integrate each term. So 2 integrates to 2x. Negative x integrates to negative x squared over 2 from 0 to 2. And then we're going to plug in the upper bound first everywhere we see an x. So I'm going to do that in this pretty mint green. Minus the lower bound, 0, everywhere we see an x. You are going to evaluate these, and you do end up getting 2 minus 0, which is 2. So this answer is 2. We should be getting a numerical answer. All right, number 2. The integral of sine is negative cosine from 0 to pi. Plug the upper bound in first, so we're going to have negative cosine pi minus the lower bound, negative cosine 0. And then you have to know this stuff. Negative cosine of pi, the cosine of pi is negative 1, but we have a double negative, so it's going to be 1. Plus the cosine is 0, which is 1, so that means this is going to be 2. And last but not least, we have an e. So, you know what, let's make this a little bit easier. Just for the sake of the length of the video, we will make that e to the x, because we know e to the x integrates to itself from 0 to ln of 4. And we are going to do e to the ln of 4 minus e to the 0. And e to the ln of anything is anything, so that's 4. Anything to the 0 in math is 1, so e to the 0 is 1. So we're going to get a final answer of 3.